In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an encryption key on Proton Mail. Now, Proton Mail is a secure email service that offers end-to-end encryption to protect your communications. Setting up an encryption key is an essential step to ensuring the privacy of your emails. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to head over to the Proton Mail website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Proton Mail URL to access your inbox. Once you're on the Proton Mail homepage, log in with your credentials. This will take you straight to your inbox, where you can manage your emails. Next, let's focus on accessing the settings. Look to the top right corner of your screen, where you will see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options presented, click on All Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can configure various aspects of your Proton Mail account. Now that you're in the settings, you'll want to navigate to the Encryption and Keys section. This part of the settings is crucial because it's where you can manage your encryption settings and keys. Click on Encryption and Keys to open this section. In the Encryption and Keys section, you have several options for managing your encryption settings. This is where you can generate, import, or export encryption keys, which are essential for securing your email communications. Proton Mail will guide you through the process of setting up and managing your encryption keys, ensuring that your emails remain private and secure. It's worth noting that Proton Mail uses PGP encryption, which stands for Pretty Good Privacy. This type of encryption is known for its security and is widely used across the internet for securing emails. As you set up your encryption keys, Proton Mail will provide you with options to either use a default key generated by Proton Mail or create your own custom key for added security. Remember, the purpose of encryption keys is to ensure that only you and your intended recipient can read the contents of your email. By setting up an encryption key, you're taking a proactive step in protecting your personal information from unauthorized access. Once you've successfully set up your encryption key, verify that everything is working correctly by sending a test email to yourself or to a trusted contact. Check to ensure that your email is encrypted and that the recipient can decrypt it successfully. And there you have it. You've now set up an encryption key on Proton Mail, adding an extra layer of security to your email communications. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the setup process, Proton Mail's support section is a fantastic resource for troubleshooting and further guidance. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.